Hey, what's up, guys? It is Cole's Life Day 101, and I know it's another boring vlog. And from yesterday and today's vlogs, you're probably wondering, where are you at? Well, I'm at my aunt's, just so you know. I'm not gonna get into too much detail of that. But what I wanted to talk about was last night and all the way till today. I've been publishing episodes of Ghost Adventures on my main channel. Basically, I did this because I wanted to. Easy as that. Oh, I just got a good idea. Wheezy! My cousin's dog name is Wheezy, and I'm babysitting him, so we're gonna play some fetch. Let's see this. Let's watch this. Oh, this is a retarded looking toy, but go get the toy, Weezy. Bring the toy back. Come on. Weezy. Weezy. I love dogs. But Karma Christian did. That tickles, Weezy. Stop. What the hell? But, Karma Question Day is, do you like dogs? Leave your answer in the comment section down below. And if you have an idea for Karma Question Day, leave down there. And don't forget to subscribe, comment, rate, like, or dislike, whatever preferences. See how you crazy people. Leave me the most suggestions for Cole's Life down there. And bye. And we're spinning, and I'm tired. And I'm dizzy.